Hi, welcome to the second tutorial. In this session, we will discuss about how to install our packages. So in R, we rely on a lot of different R packages for performing different functions and different analysis. But before we can start using those packages, we'll first need to install them in R. So we can use R Studio to perform the installations, and the installation of our packages is a rather straightforward process. Here are the two main steps. First, we need to launch our R Studio, and we can type our R command in the R script, or we can also directly type our R command in the R console, depending on whether we want to save and store our R commands or not. So here, I chose to write our R command in the R script so that we can store them later. For installing a R package, we can just type the following command: install.packages, and we should replace the name of our desired package inside the brackets. So here is the command that we will use for installing our package. So here, what we need is a package that is called support.ces. That is a particular R package designed for designing and analyzing discrete choice experiments. Here, let's just replace the package name with support.ces. So after that, we can run this command, and we'll just click run. Oh, sorry. So here, the quotation mark, you need to pay attention to the format of quotation mark. So here, let me replace this with the standard quotation mark format, and then you can run the package. And the installation will start. And after it's successfully installed to your R program, you can see the installation message in the R console. The download are in this location. But after installing the R package, we still cannot use the package directly and immediately. The next thing we need to do is to load the package to our project, to our R session. And then to do this, we need to use the library function by typing the following R command. So here, we need to use the library function to call our desired package. Here again, we also replace this with support.ce. One thing to note is that to use the library function, we do not need to use the single quotation mark like those we used in the installation process. Here, we just need to type the name of the particular R package that we want to use. And then we can run this R command. And the package support.ces has been successfully launched here, and we can start using this package. So this does not only apply to this particular package, you can also use the same R commands for installing and loading other R packages as well. So thank you very much, and we will talk more about how to use this particular package for designing and implementing discrete choice experiments in later sessions.